What is up, world? Welcome back to Blueprint Auto Services. Today, we were installing that clutch, as you guys seen on my last video. I was gonna put the transmission up, but then I discovered something that kind of made me want to hold off. Let me get some light in here. So as you can see, I got the transmission right here on the floor. So this piece here that the throwout bearing rides on, that's called the release bearing guide. As you can see, it's removable by these 4 bolts. I feel like it's a bit worn out, so I want to replace it. So I'm gonna just put this on here for an example. And you see how much room it has? I'm not sure if that's totally normal. You see all that play in there? So just to be precautious, because I really don't want to drop the tranny again for something silly like that, even though it's going to set me back another 4 or 5 days to get that ordered. I'm going to replace that. Once we get that, we'll install the transmission back. I'm going to take you guys under the car real quick just to see the clutch in daylight. So as you can see, everything is installed. I gotta order 2 downpipe gaskets, so when I put the exhaust back on, we don't have any leaks. And we're gonna see how this clutch does. I know there's a break-in period. I gotta look up what that is, but I haven't posted in a long time, and the car has changed dramatically to my old subscribers that have been watching. So if you guys see anything with the car that you want to know more details about, if you want me to make a video or something, just let me know. There's quite a few things going on with the car: the steering wheel, the cluster, the interior, the engine, the wheel specs, the color, the body kit, things like that. Just drop a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm willing to make whatever video. Peace.